So you're tired of your door squeaking like this, right? I got a quick fix for you. This stuff right here. We're gonna do this 2 different ways. The quick way is to just apply some oil onto the hinges, right? I'll show you that. So basically apply some to the front and back of all hinges. Now we can open and close the door, and as you can see, no more squeaking. But to do a more thorough lubrication, we're gonna remove the pins, clean them off, and then lubricate them that way. So let's find one more squeaky door. As you can see, this door is squeaking as well. For this one, we're gonna do a more thorough lubrication job. So let's go ahead and remove the pins. First thing you wanna do, take a screwdriver and hammer and tap the pins out. Little tip, use some pliers to hold the screwdriver so you won't accidentally hit your hand. Also, only remove 1 pin at a time to clean and lubricate so the entire door doesn't come off. We have our pin. Let's go ahead and clean it off. I'm gonna go ahead and lube it up. Place the pin back in. Do this for the other 3 or 2, depending on how many hinges you have. All 3 pins have been taken out and lubricated. Now go ahead and open the door and close it. And there you go. Any excess oil, don't forget to wipe it off. Questions or comments, please put them below. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And also for a link to this oil, I'll put it down below in the description. Thanks for watching.